All right, so you've heard us say it before that we love our sea days, and today's been a fantastic sea day. Kids are playing in the pool, did some water slides. Julie and I did some water slides. We got the whole group on some water slides. And Julie's going to sign the kids up for the FlowRider, so let's see if we can get them on there for a little bit. It's one of their favorite things to do. It's an included activity. It doesn't cost anything extra, but you do have to make sure you're tall enough. And this is the first time that we've been on a cruise that Katie is tall enough to do the FlowRider. So we're kind of excited to see that, and let's see if we can get them on there. So Freedom of the Seas has two water slides, the Cyclone and the Typhoon. Got to be 48 inches tall for the Perfect Storm water slides, and 52 inches to do the FlowRider. So kids are excited. Let's go see. I didn't know Julie was going to do this today.
I promised the kids once.
Are you excited, Julie?
Yes. My glasses.
All right. Hey, no wardrobe malfunctions today.
Hey,
okay.
no.
Are you ready for this? The infamous Bing Bong! Bing Bong! The best cruise director in the world! Oh, please!
Sea on the seas! Woo! Welcome to the party. We have got not 6 but 7 belly floppers today, all hoping to take home the belly flop gold medal. And you, my lovely people, will be the deciders as to who wins the belly flop competition.
Are you going to win this, Tim? Are you going to win this?
We'll see. So is everybody ready for the belly flop? All right, take it away. Oh, take it away. Oh, here we go. Oh, take it away. Oh, take it away. Oh, take it away. Oh. Fours and twos and fours and threes and fours. We got twos and threes and fours and fours and fours and threes and 0. Oh. Fours and fives and threes and twos and fours and threes. We got fives and fours and fours and fours and fours and fours and threes. Ladies and gentlemen, da 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 da. Tim, everybody, from New Jersey, takes the lead with a 3.82. 3, 2, 1, take it away. One more jump, the ultimate winner of the belly flop today, everybody. Give it up for Funky Fresh! 3, 2, 1, as the winner of the event, how did you prepare for this event today? You know,
It's tough. These are some built by body cows. I built my biscuits and gravy, baby. That's how we do it.
All right, hey, listen, we've been on the Freedom of the Seas all week. We've been at the Lime and Coconut, and these guys have been fantastic up here. I got Kenrick and I got Dijon. And hey, say hello to everybody back home, guys.
Hello, guys. See you on the seas.
All right, 1, 2, 3,
4. See you on the seas.
All right, they can't follow instructions very well, but they're fantastic bartenders. So, hey, if you get an opportunity, stop by the Lime and the Coconut and say hello to Kenrick, say hello to Dijon, say hello to Jesse. They've been great to us this week, and we'll see you on the seas.
All right, so here we are, day 6, Freedom of the Seas. It's been an amazing group cruise. We've had so much fun. Our excursion yesterday was fantastic. We took a boat out and went snorkeling, Stingray City and Starfish Point. Today, it's a sea day. It's fun by the pool, our award ceremony, maybe getting our gift exchange that we had to reschedule, but really just fun with friends. And let's send this out in true How We Cruise fashion.
And the radio
My lovely friend over there has dedicated this to you all. He says that you have been rickrolled. For those of you who don't know what that is, I'll explain to you. We were strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. But for commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand that I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Yeah.
Hey, you've been rickrolled.
We've known each other for so long. You're authentic, but you're too shy to see it.
Well, and with that, Journey to Freedom comes to an end. I think we accomplished our task and everybody had a great time. And of course we end it with late night pizza. So you can't end a cruise without late night pizza. So I think we found freedom. I think the kids did a great job finding freedom on this cruise. And if you're cruising with kids, one of the best things to do is give them a little freedom and let them explore the ship. And I think our kids did a great job this week doing that. So, did you guys have a good time this week? How's that pizza, Cavi? All right. All right, hey, thanks for joining us. Thanks for following along. Get ready for the next group cruise, and we'll see you on the seas.